Hello Internet, this is Mark from Company 23 here to run through another one of our product showcases. We've sold a very large number of block-off plates for both the exhaust and the intake ports of EJ and FA engines. This one specifically is for an EJ exhaust port. But today I'm here to introduce our coolant covers. So these were made to match the existing covers packaged by Mr. R. Matson, whoever that is. They include new hardware, which is shorter than the factory hardware, and you'll see why in a moment. But what these are parts to complete the family of blocking off the top of your engine. So if you're an EJ engine builder like me, there is a strong chance that your engine has been on an engine stand for an extended period of time. For whatever reason, maybe it's financial, maybe it's laziness, maybe you just haven't gotten to it yet. What you don't want are debris, 10mm sockets, birds, or other foreign matter getting into any port that's open on top of your engine. What these do is they bolt on top of the short block in the same location as the factory coolant crossover pipe. They're an aesthetic way to keep junk out of your engine. So someday when you get to finishing that build and someday you make 900 horsepower, you're not worried about stuff that may be growing inside your coolant passages. These are really cheap. They spruce up your engine while you're on the stand. You can even tell your wife they're a decorative piece. These are available on www.company23.com. If you have any questions and you want to know if these fit your build, they probably do. EJ engines have been around since the dinosaurs roamed the earth. But anyway, shoot us an email, c23@company23.com. Shoot us a Facebook message, an Instagram DM, comment down below, do whatever. We'll get back to you as quickly as we can. Thank you. Goodbye.